Guys, ever felt overwhelmed by the number of devices that you need to charge and by the amount of chargers we accumulate in order to do so? I know I have. Well, today we're taking a look at a solution that just might change your charging game. Let's talk about the Limeta MD200X 200 watt fast charging station. So stick around to see if this could be the answer to your charging woes. Back in a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Limeta MD200X 5-in-1 charging station from Limeta. Now, if you don't know Limeta, well, they make a ton of different charging solutions, and I actually had the joy of reviewing their portable mag charger, which allows you to charge up your phone, AirPods and Apple Watch all on one device. And you know what, if you're interested in that, I'll leave a card up here. But today guys, it's all about this, the MD200X 200 watt fast charger. Now, before we get into it, Limeta sent me this MD200X charger to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we have some instructions. We also have two Type-C cables. Now, these Type-C cables are both in different lengths. You've got a longer one and a shorter one, 0.5 meter and 1 meter, I think. Now, also to note that not all Type-C charging cables are the same, and for high power needs you need to ensure that your cables are rated properly. Now, these supplied cables are rated for 240 watts, so you know what, you're going to get the full power delivery of this charger. Then guys, you have the charger itself, and although not heavy, it feels incredibly well built. On the top, you've got the wireless charging pad for your phone and other devices like AirPods, for instance. And then on the front, guys, you've got 3 USB-C Type-C ports. And one of these is a hefty 140 watt port, which is definitely going to charge up whatever laptop you have. The other two are 65 watt ports, and that's going to cover off phones and tablets. And then you've got that USB-A port, which is pushing out 24 watts. So anything you have that's kind of legacy or requires a slower charge is definitely going to be quite happy plugged into that. And as I've already said, guys, to top it all off, you've got the 15 watt magnetic charging pad on the top. Now guys, this is what makes this charger pretty cool. It has a small digital display showing the current wattage output. That's right, you get to see exactly how much power each device is drawing, and setting up is an absolute breeze. Just plug it into the mains and you are good to go. And given that this bad boy is pushing out some serious power, it also has a fan to keep it cool, so you're always going to get the best and the safest power delivery. Now guys, guess what? Well, there's an app. Yeah, there's an app. Just like the other Limeta portable charger I reviewed, Limeta has gone the extra mile by including an app. Now, the app shows you all of your devices that are connected and the power they're drawing, and it also tells you when your devices are fully charged. So you know what, that's a really nice touch. So guys, let's see this charger in action. Now, I've got several devices plugged in. I've got some AirPods connected to the wireless pad, and you can see in the app that I'm also adding a battery charger for some camera batteries. I'm then plugging in a MacBook Pro and a camera, and I'm swapping out the AirPods for an iPhone. This charger handles them all without breaking a sweat. And as well as the app, you can see on the LCD screen the different power it's pushing out to each device. And that is nice. Also guys, this MD200X is pretty compact, making it pretty travel friendly. And don't worry guys, this MD200X is compatible with both Android and Apple devices. In fact, whatever gear you've got, this charger's got you covered. So guys, there you have it. This MD200X charger from Limeta has left me pretty impressed. 5 ports which you can use together, no more waiting for the charger to be free to plug your stuff in, and it's super fast. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can grab one of these for just £105. Think about it, all your charging needs covered by one piece of kit. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any further discount codes in the description, and if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, it really makes a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Limeta for sending me this very useful charger to review. I'm Dave with Scenes Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.